In the morning, and I got my friend's PS3 here. He's downstairs on his laptop right now, and I spray painted it white, and I'm gonna go get him to show you, so I can show him, see what he has to say about it. One sec, gotta go downstairs to get on his laptop.
What?
Come outside real quick.
How the fuck are you videotaping me?
Just come outside, I gotta show you something.
No, fuck you, it's cold.
Come on, real quick, I gotta show you something.
I don't care.
It's really cool, look, watch, I can bench like 200 pounds.
Shit, I fucking do it.
Just come on.
Why, dude? It's fucking...
Come on.
Faggot, stop, it's snowing.
Come on.
What is it? Tell me what it is.
Come on.
You're about to get punched in the face if you don't stop hitting me.
Just come on.
Tell me what it is.
I can bench like 200 pounds.
If you can't bench more than me, then you're getting punched in the face.
What?
If you can't bench more than me, you're getting punched in the face.
What?
Get the fucking video camera off of me, dude.
Oh, you gotta videotape me benching 200 pounds.
If you can't bench 200 pounds, you're getting punched in the balls.
Come on.
I swear to God, faggot.
Just come on.
Don't fucking record me.
Just come out into the garage. Events. Events.
Why's the door open?
Cause, why does it snow, Vince?
No. Fuck's that smell? Is that my fucking PlayStation?
No?
The fuck, dude? What is it?
Your PlayStation 3?
Are you fucking serious? What the fuck, dude? Is it broken? What the hell, dude? There's fucking paint all over it. Are you fucking serious? You fucking painted my PlayStation.
No, I spray painted it.
Is it broke?
I don't know.
What the fuck do you mean you don't know?
I didn't plug it in.
So why don't you take it the hell downstairs and plug it in?
It might blow up.
You are a fucking asshole.
You like the color?
No, I fucking don't like the color. I like my black PlayStation. That works.
You got a problem with white people?
No. I swear to fucking God, dude, this ain't gonna work. You get punched in the face. The fuck? There's fucking paint all over it.
I think it's broke.
I swear to God, that thing's broken. Don't have another PlayStation.
Dude, there's snow out here. You're gonna make me drop the camera. Calm down.
Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God, my head.
That's all for now, folks.